salmon with Mediterranean flavors. While salmon is associated mainly with Scotland, Norway and other northern countries in Europe, Italians love their salmon too. So I thought I would share with you a Mediterranean recipe featuring this very popular fish. Get ready to be amazed by the simplicity of this dish, and later surprised by its taste. Ingredients: 3 medium-large fillets fresh salmon, a great quality olive oil, 8 cherry tomatoes, 1 jar tomato sauce, 4 medium garlic cloves, salt and pepper. Time. Preparation: rinse the fish and place it on a clean plate. Drizzle the olive oil at the bottom of your casserole. Layer the salmon fillets in your casserole and season with plenty of salt and pepper. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half, then peel and cut the garlic cloves into thin slices. Spread the entire tomato sauce jar on top of the fish fillets. Layer the cherry tomatoes and garlic on the fish. Drizzle with plenty olive oil, season with more pepper, and finish with a generous amount of thyme. Bake in the oven for 40 minutes. Take out of the oven and serve with a side. Buon Appetito. Tips: I suggest serving this with oven-roasted potatoes, but it will also pair well with a medley of vegetables.